Our client in Melbourne contacted us for the house renovation. The task was to create a beautiful new kitchen, update upper floor master ensuite, update bathroom, create new design for powder room, and while updating the kitchen, the brief was to make a really nice butler's pantry with lots of storage. And also our client wanted to find some place in the house for the home office. So while reviewing this layout, what we realized, the current existing kitchen is having outdated style and even shape. In Australia, it was very popular to build this complicated shape of the island bench back in the day, but these days we try to simplify the shape and bring luxury through good materials, through good combination of those materials, and that's what we've done. We decided to create a nice rectangular waterfall island bench and open up some space for the dining area. Now this flows really nicely and you can transition from dining area to kitchen area while cooking. This is working now like one big space. And also we built this wall. We divided this secondary living room space into two parts, and one part is now butler's pantry with lots of storage as the client requested, and another part is the home office. So now the owner of the house will have a nice place to sit, work, to be relaxed, far away in a silent part of the house. For the materials of the kitchen, we selected sintered stone. As sintered stone is a fire-resistant material, we decided to use it on splashback as well, and that's how it's looking. The kitchen is very light, airy. We went with flat upper cabinets without handles, and our lower cabinets, they have fluted design with these beautiful gold finger pulls. So now the kitchen is looking like this, with a nice pendant for dining area and living room, kitchen, and secondary living, new butlers is working really nice together. The home office is very functional. It's got big huge desk with open shelf, with overhead cabinets, lots of storage there, drawers to keep all the documents, and we even have charging station for devices. It's got really nice wood look and combination of white and wood look for the cabinets. I think it's a real sanctuary. I wouldn't mind to sit and work in the room like this, you know, far away from everyone. So what we've done for the flooring throughout, we replaced all the floor with this wood look laminate, which is giving now consistent look. So now the floor is not breaking into parts. We replaced vanity and tiles in the powder room. Now let's have a look what we've done on the upper floor. Let's start from the master ensuite. So here we really didn't want to keep the bathtub because our client didn't use it. The brief was to create a nice walk-in shower with two shower heads and create a really nice vanity with two beautiful mirrors. So we used the same wood look finish. The client previously has renovated walk-in robe, so we already have this finish in walk-in robe, and we thought why not to continue it all the way through. So we continued this finish, created two vanities with top-mounted basins, and we have now two beautiful mirror cabinets with a lot of storage inside, and we have chosen gold sanitary fixtures for this beautiful bathroom, and the tiles are beige. So now we also have in this bathroom, you know, this very light airy look with gold trims. We separated toilet with a fluted glass partition, which is gently covering the toilet but not blocking the natural light over there. Let us know what you think of this master ensuite, how it's looking now. And for the bathroom, what we felt we didn't really like to see straight away is the shower. And it felt like you come and you bend into shower, it's not looking nice, not looking appealing. So we decided to get rid of that shower, and now we are having vanity here, like beautiful vanity when we come inside with mirror cabinet above it. And on the left we decided to combine bathtub with shower and cover it by one glass shower partition. So now we've got a lot of air, a lot of light in this bathroom. We also have chosen gold sanitary fixtures and beige tiles with terrazzo floor tiles. Now it feels like we got much more space in here. It's got this beautiful modern look with nothing blocking the light, nothing obstructing the view. It feels like everything is done as it has to be in this area. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please comment on if you liked the renovation. What do you think, how the house transformed, how it used to be, how it's looking now. Follow Design Mile for new videos similar to these ones, and of course we'll show the final result after we will actually build this beautiful bathroom. You will see how it's looking, so don't miss it out. Contact us in Design Mile for your house renovation or for a new build house design. We are happy to help. We are located in Melbourne, but we work all over Australia. Just now we are finishing couple houses in Sydney, and we are about to start house in Adelaide. So contact us and let's create really beautiful design for you. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.